Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Lisa Junianti Ananda from Midwifery Undergraduate Program. This time, I will discuss about the 11 system of the human body. Levels of organization. Remember, the human body is organized in several levels, from the simplest to the most complex. Cells, the basic unit of life tissues. Clusters of the cell performing a similar function. Organs, made of tissues that perform a specific function. Organ system, groups of organs that perform a specific purpose in the human body. The purpose of the 11 organ system is for the human body to maintain homeostasis. The 11 human body systems. The 11 human body systems are as follows: nervous system, respiratory system, excretory system, muscular system, endocrine system, lymphatic or immune system, integumentary system, digestive system, skeletal system, circulatory system, reproductive system. The digestive system purpose to convert food particles into simple micromolecules that can be absorbed into the bloodstream and used by the body. Major organs and their function. Mood, to chew and grind up food. Saliva also begins the chemical breakdown. Esophagus, pipe connecting mood to stomach. Stomach secretes an extraordinarily strong acid that leads to breakdown of food. Once the food breakdown down in the stomach and mixed with digestive juice, pancreas produces the hormone insulin that regulates blood sugar levels, also help neutralize stomach acid. Liver produces bile, which breaks down fats in food. Gallbladder, pouch-like organ that stores bile for future use. Small intestine. After digestion is complete, the chyme enters the small intestine where it is absorbed into the bloodstream. The chyme is propelled along by a folded surface, called villi. On the intestine, large intestine removes water from the chyme and gets the water ready for excretion. The excretory system purpose to rid the body of wastes, including excess water and salts. Major organs and their function. Kidneys, the main organs of the excretory system. Waste, leaden blood enters the kidney and the kidney filters out urea, excess water and other waste products, which eventually travel out of the kidney as urine. Eventually, they travel through the ureter to the urine bladder. Rectum, solid or food waste travels out of the body through the rectum. Skin, sweat glands remove excess water and salts from the body. Lungs, expel the waste gas carbon dioxide. The respiratory system purpose to provide the body with a fresh supply of oxygen for cellular respiration and remove the waste product carbon dioxide. Major organs and their function. Nose, internal entry and exit point for air. Pharynx serves as a passageway for both air and food at the back of the throat. Larynx, your voice box as air passes over your vocal cords. You speak trachea, the windpipe, or what connects your pharynx to your lungs. A piece of skin, called the epiglottis, covers the trachea when you swallow, preventing food from entering. Bronch, the two large passageways that lead from the trachea to your lungs, or one for each lung. The bronchs are further subdivided into bronchioles. Eventually, the further subdivisions lead to tiny air sacs called alveoli are in clusters, like grapes. Capillaries surrounding each alveolus is where the exchange of with the blood occurs. Diaphragm is the muscle that causes you to breathe. Hiccups are involuntary contraction of the diaphragm. There's the circulatory system. Purpose: to deliver oxygenated blood to the various cellular and organ systems in your body so they can undergo cellular respiration. Major organ and their function. Heart, the major muscle of the circulatory system, pumps blood through its first two chambers or two ventricles and two atria. In pumps deoxygenated blood into the lungs, where it gets oxygenated, return it to the heart, and then pump it out through the aorta to the rest of the body. Valve regulate the flow of blood between the chambers. Artery carry blood away from the heart and to the major organs of the body. Veins carry blood back to the heart away from the major organs of the body. Capillaries, small blood vessels where gas exchange occurs. Blood, the cells that flow through the circulatory system. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin and iron-rich protein that carries oxygen. White blood cells function in the immune system. Platelets help in blood clotting. Spleen helps to filter out toxin in the blood. The nervous system. Purpose: to coordinate the body's response to change in its internal and external environment. Major organs and their function. Brain, control center of the body where all processes are relayed through. Consists of cerebrum or control stroke and change, and cerebellum control major function. Spinal cord sends instruction from the brain to the rest of the body and vice versa. Any organism with a major nerve cord is classified as a corded. Nervous conduct impulse to muscle cells throughout the body. The endocrine system. Purpose: to control growth, development, metabolism and reproduction through the production and secretion of hormones. Major organs: hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal glands, pancreas, testes, ovaries. The skeletal system. Purpose: to provide structure and support to the human body. Bones are where new blood cells are generated or in the marrow and require the mineral calcium for strength. Major bones of the human body: femur or thigh bone, radius and ulna or lower arm, sternum or breastbone, fibula and tibia or calves, scapula or shoulder, coccyx or tailbone, humerus or upper arm, cranium or skull, clavicle or shoulder blade, vertebrae or back, pelvic bone, phalanges or fingers or toes. The muscular system. Purpose: works with the skeletal and nervous system to produce movement, also helps to circulate blood throughout the human body. Muscle cells are fibrous. Muscle contraction can be voluntary or involuntary. Major muscles in the human body: biceps, gluteus, triceps, hamstrings, deltoids. The immune system. Purpose: to remove infectious and other pathogens from the human body. Major organs and their function. Skin, also called the integumentary system. The skin is the body's first line of defense. White blood cells recognize disease against or antigens and create antibodies to take and remove these antigens. Phagocytes are the white blood cells type that actually is and destroys these antigens. Lymph nodes help restore fluid lost by the blood and return it to the circulatory system. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.